Welcome to video number 4 chapter 2 chapter 1 series. Now in this video we are going to discuss types of reaction. In previous video we learned about how to write a chemical reaction and how to balance that chemical reaction. Now there are few types of chemical reaction on different based on different classification. There are different types. So here we are going to learn classification based on heat transfer and classification based on number of product and number of reactant. Two types of classification we are going to discuss here. So first we are going to discuss combination reaction. So what is combination reaction? So the name itself, it tells you that there must be some combination here. Take an example, general example first. A plus B, they both are our reactants. They will react together to form product AB. Here A and B both combine together to form AB. Just like that, take A plus B plus C. There are three reactants. They all three combine together to form ABC as product. So this type of reaction is called combination reaction. The definition of that is like this: when two or more reactant reacts and gives only one substance as product, it is combination reaction. So in order to find out type of reaction, you have to calculate the number of product and number of reactant. Number of product કેટલા છે 2, number of reactant 2 છે, number of product is 1 here. As same, number of reactant here are 3 and number of product is 1. So only one product is there in both reactions. So it is combination reaction. Combination reaction में एक જ product હોય. Now example for that is calcium oxide plus water gives calcium hydroxide and heat. Now here you can see the common name for calcium oxide. This is calcium oxide. Common name for that is quicklime. Okay, remember the common name also. In exam, the question they can ask from common name also. So common name for calcium oxide is quicklime. When it is dissolved in water, it will give you CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. It is the scientific name of CaOH twice, and the common name is slaked lime. Okay, and some heat will be evolved. Now you can see product is only one here, reactant 2 reactants are there, so it is combination reaction. Also heat is produced here, heat is evolved, so it is called exothermic reaction. Okay, so this is example of combination reaction as well as exothermic reaction. Okay, now another example for that is when carbon is burned in presence of oxygen, it will give you carbon dioxide and heat. And this is also combination reaction. You can see 2 reactants are there and one product is there. And it is also exothermic reaction because it is producing heat. Same way, when hydrogen and oxygen gas both will combine together to form water, and some heat will be evolved. So it is also combination reaction as well as exothermic reaction. Same way, sulfur plus oxygen will give you sulfur dioxide. It is also combination reaction as well as exothermic reaction. As you can see, most of the combination reaction is exothermic reaction. most of the, I'm not saying all of them. Okay, now one question is there. Question is like this: how respiration is an exothermic reaction? Or question may be different, like give reason exothermic reaction, respiration reaction is exothermic. Okay, question form may be changed, but answer you can write same in same manner. Understand it first. When we eat food, after eating the food, what will happen there? After eating food, during digestion of food, food breaks into simpler substance in our body. Example, rice, potato, etc. breaks into carbohydrate. So first point માં શું કીધું છે? When we eat food, after that goes in our stomach, the food will break into some simpler substance. Food will break itself into simpler substance. That substance may be carbohydrate or protein or sugar or anything else. Okay. Now, in second step, what will happen here? This simpler substance again break down into glucose. As a simpler substance produce the carbohydrate or protein, that will break down into glucose. Now, glucose will react with oxygen, and this reaction provides or emits some energy. Now, ATP cycle, you know, in that ATP cycle, glucose reacts with oxygen and emits some energy. It gives our body some energy. That is the same energy I am talking about here. So in this way, respiration is an exothermic reaction. Okay. Now here the chemical reaction is written. How glucose reacts with oxygen. This is C6H12O6 formula for glucose. It will react with oxygen to give carbon dioxide, water and energy. Then after I have balanced the equation. Now this question was there in board exam March 2020, recent exam. Okay, the question was like this: write the chemical reaction that gives that is glucose reacts with oxygen and balance it. That was the question. The question was for 2 marks. Okay, so 1 mark for writing equation and 1 mark for balancing that equation. Okay, that question was there in March 2020 board exam. Now the last point, decomposition of vegetable. Vegetable જે સડી જાય એની વાત કરી છે. Decomposition of vegetable is also an exothermic reaction. Okay, you might know it gives methane or ethane gas and some heat is evolved. Now some questions from book are here. A solution of substance X, name of substance is not given. The solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. The question is, name that substance and write its formula. Write chemical reaction of X with water. Okay, this question was also there in March 2020 exam for 3 marks. Okay, the question was for 3 marks. So what is the X substance we are going to find out? It is useful for whitewashing. Now what do you mean by whitewashing? જે દિવાલ ઉપર white color કરે એને whitewashing કહેવાય. We know that it is calcium oxide, CaO, ચૂનો કહેવાય. Okay, so for whitewashing of walls we are using calcium oxide. So here I have written, so our substance is X is equal to calcium oxide, or you can say general name was quicklime. Okay, both names are accepted. Now formula for that is CaO. This both answer will give you 1 mark, and the last equation with the norms solid, liquid or aqueous, that will give you 2 marks. CaO, that is solid, plus H2O, that is liquid, gives CaOH twice, that is aqueous form. Aqueous form means water soluble form. Okay, so this was the question in board exam March 2020. Now the another question is like this. One drawing is given to you. In that 2 electrodes are there. They are combined with a battery, 6-volt battery. On one electrode, hydrogen is produced. On another electrode, oxygen is produced. Now what is the question? In decomposition of water using electricity, why amount of the gas collected on one side is doubled than other? Okay, બંને ઉપર ગેસ પ્રોડ્યુસ થયા છે. નાઉ ક્વેશ્ચન ઇઝ ધેટ કોઈ એક ઇલેક્ટ્રોડ ઉપર ગેસ વધારે પ્રોડ્યુસ થાય છે કમ્પેર્ડ ટુ અનધર ઇલેક્ટ્રોડ. આ વધારે કેમ પ્રોડ્યુસ થયો? દેટ ઇઝ આવર ક્વેશ્ચન. ઓકે, નાઉ in order to write down the reason, you have to write down the first equation, how water will break down into hydrogen and oxygen. So here I have written the balanced equation. 2H2O in liquid form gives you H2, 2H2 in gas form plus O2 in gaseous form. Now you can see here hydrogen molecule is 2 and oxygen molecule is 1. So hydrogen gas will produce double than oxygen. So simply you have to write down the reason. As per the given reaction, when one molecule of O2 is produced, it also produces 2 molecules of hydrogen. So hydrogen is double than oxygen. Okay. Now the second type of reaction is decomposition reaction. Now it is exactly opposite of combination reaction. Combination માં શું થતું? કમ્બાઇન થતો હતો. Decomposition માં શું થશે? છૂટું પડશે. So in general form I have written here, AB gives A plus B, or ABC gives A plus B plus C. You have reactants are AB and ABC, and products are AB, and in second reaction A, B and C are products. So you can see here AB and ABC, they decompose in particularly AB and ABC form. Now the definition is like this. In this type of reaction, single reactant breaks down into 2 or more products. Okay, so here number of reactant is only 1 and number of product is more than 1. Okay, 2 or more than 2. So in this way you can find out the type of reaction, whether it is combination or decomposition. Now example for that is like this. When FeSO4, ferrous sulfate, is heated, it gives you Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide plus SO3 gas. Okay, now here you can see only one reactant is there, ferrous sulfate, and product is 1, 2 and 3. 3 products are there. So it is decomposition reaction, and in this reaction we are using heat. Heat is not producing, we are giving the reactant heat. So this type of reaction is called endothermic reaction. So definition for endothermic reaction is like this: the reaction in which heat is absorbed. Okay, heat is absorbed, it is called endothermic reaction. Again, the reaction in which heat is absorbed, it is called endothermic reaction. The second example is like this: CaCO3. Now that is scientific name of CaCO3 is calcium carbonate, and common name for that is limestone, चूनानो पत्थर. Okay, when it is heated, it will give you calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide common name is quicklime, I have written here, and carbon dioxide. Now the next reaction is like this: when PbNO3 twice lead nitrate is heated, it will give you PbO2 plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Okay, again PbNO3 twice lead nitrate, when it is heated, it will give you lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen gas. So here you can see only one reactant is there and product is 1, 2 and 3. So it is decomposition reaction as well as it is endothermic reaction because we are using heat here. And one observation is also important here: nitrogen dioxide is brown in color. So question पूछे what observation you will get, कदाच reaction आपने question पूछे what observation you will get, so you have to write down brown color gas is observed, that is color of nitrogen dioxide. Okay, now decomposition reaction, it has some subtype. First is thermal decomposition, then electrolytic decomposition, then photochemical or photolytic decomposition. Okay, 3 subtypes are there. What is the thermal decomposition reaction? The reaction in which heat is used, that is called thermal decomposition reaction. જે decomposition reaction ની અંદર હીટનો યુઝ કરેલો હોય એને thermal decomposition reaction કહેવાય. આ ઉપરના જે એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈએ that are examples of thermal decomposition reaction. What is electrolytic decomposition reaction? The reaction in which electricity is used for decomposition, it is called electrolytic decomposition reaction. Example is like this: when H2O when from H2O electricity is passed, it will decompose into hydrogen and oxygen gas. H2O માંથી ફરી પાછું હાઇડ્રોજન અને ઓક્સિજન બનાવો તો એમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી પાસ કરવી પડે. Heat doesn't work there. Okay, now last type is photochemical or photolytic decomposition. So એની અંદર શું હોય? photolytic means સનલાઇટનો યુઝ કરવાનો. સનલાઇટની પ્રેઝન્સની અંદર ડિકમ્પોઝિશન રિએક્શન થશે. સો એક્ઝામ્પલ ફોર દેટ ઇઝ સિલ્વર ક્લોરાઇડ. when white color no હોય silver chloride, when white colored silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, sunlight ને આગળ sunlight એમ બી લખી શકે or ultraviolet rays UVB લખી શકે. Okay, both will be either sunlight or UV rays they can write and ask some question. So when white colored AgCl is exposed in sunlight, it will give you grey colored silver and chlorine gas will evolve. Okay, ક્લોરિન ગેસ ઇવોલ્વ થશે અને જે સિલ્વર બાકી રહેશે એનો વ્હાઇટ કલરમાંથી કેવો ગ્રે કલર થઈ જશે. જેને શાઇનિંગ હશે સિલ્વરની શાઇનિંગ જતી રહેશે. અહીંયા આગળ સ્ટાર્ટિંગની અંદર સિલ્વર ક્લોરાઇડ શાઇનિંગ મારતો હશે, એના પછી શાઇનિંગ જતી રહેશે, ગ્રે કલર થઈ જશે. સો ઇટ ઇઝ ડિકમ્પોઝિશન રિએક્શન. The third type is displacement reaction. Now by the name only you can say some displacement will be there. Here see the general form first. AB plus C, it will give you AC plus B. Here you can see B and C, they are exchanging their place. This is called displacement reaction. Okay, so the definition is like this. In this type of reaction, one part of reactant is replaced by another reactant. Okay, the number of product and reactant they remain such as such. એમાં ચેન્જ નહીં આવે, but one part of reactant, here B part, that is replaced by another reactant. Another reactant is what? C. So એના વડે replaced થઈ ગયો. So that is called displacement reaction. Example for that is like this. When Fe, iron or ferrous, is dipped in CuSO4 solution, aqueous form છે, so it is solution. When iron is dipped in CuSO4 solution, it will give you FeSO4, ferrous sulfate solution, and copper will be in solid form. Here you can see Fe and Cu, they are exchanging their place. Okay, so this is displacement reaction. And what is the observation here? So CuSO4 જે હોય એનો કલર બ્લુ કલર હોય, એનું જે સોલ્યુશન હોય એ બ્લુ કલરનું સોલ્યુશન હોય. Now after reacting it will give you FeSO4 solution. It is light blue color solution. જે બ્લુ કલર છે એ થોડો ફેડ થઈ જશે, ઓછો થઈ જશે. So that observation you will get there. Here second example is like this. Zn plus H2SO4 sulfuric acid, it will give you ZnSO4 plus H2. Now here you can see Zn and H2, they both are changing their place. So it is displacement reaction. And observation is hydrogen gas. Gas will be there, gas bubble out થતા દેખાશે, એની અંદર bubbles produce થશે. So hydrogen gas will be evolved. The third example, Pb plus CuCl2. Pb means lead plus copper chloride, they will react together and form lead chloride and copper. Now here Pb and Cu, they both are changing their place, so it is displacement reaction. Now the last type is double displacement reaction. Last type for today, it is double displacement reaction. Now what is double displacement reaction? Displacement double થશે. So general form આગળ લખશે AB plus CD, it will give you AC plus BD. Here you can see B and C, they are changing their place, as well as A and D, they are also changing their place. So it is double displacement reaction. In this type of reaction, two reactants exchange ions. Here word ions is used. What was the word here? One part. Okay, here word ion is used. Two reactants exchange ions to form new compounds. Example, Na2SO4, sodium sulfate in aqueous form plus BaCl2, barium chloride, in aqueous form. They both will react together to form BaSO4, barium sulfate, that is in solid form. Here I have written white colored solid, and NaCl, and that is in aqueous form. એનું સોલ્યુશન બનેલું હશે. BaSO4 that you can see in white color solid form થશે. Okay, so here observation is white colored solid. We can observe that white color solid is of BaSO4. Okay, here you can see Na and Ba, they are changing their place, as well as here Ba and Na, they are also changing their place. So it is double displacement reaction. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.